Let's transform this little gourd from this to this. Hi, this is Rozani. You can see that I've previously sculpted some features and I'm just outlining them with a pencil. It's kind of kooky and a little bit spooky, and that's the way I like it. If you like this type of content, then keep watching because we're going to use my liquid starch and tissue paper to add color. And even more. Now this will be a little fast-paced, but I hope you get the idea and that you'll try this on your own. You see here that I've applied yellow tissue paper with the liquid starch, and on top of that I put some light blue strips. You can use any colors that you like. And we move right along and paint over it with some fall colors. And I'm working on this side first, but you'll see that I have painted the other side later on in the video. If you're unfamiliar with my techniques, please visit my playlist, and it'll show you how I sculpt these little faces. They can be made with so many different expressions. Let's move right along. It's taking shape. Now I have darkened the creases here, so now the face stands out a little bit more. And I'll wash it down a little bit. I like making these silly faces. It adds a lot of fun to my Halloween and fall pumpkins. I want to thank you for being here. And thank you to all of my friends and subscribers. See you next time.